Hi there, Melody from WTI. Looking for a suit? Marvelous World has something for you. This gorgeous slim fit suit comes in different colors and sizes, and they fit to a T. They're comfortable, fashionable, and I love all the fine details about this suit. It's so classy looking. Who wouldn't want to wear it down the runway? So you can wear it with different colored shirts. I love the white or the baby blue with this dark navy color, but this 5-piece suit comes with its own shirt. This crisp and professional looking beautiful shirt adds to the class. The vest, the blazer, and the jacket has all the right stuff that even an adult suit would have, right down to the buttons. And the pants are just as well made with an adjustable waistband. The tie is the 5th item that comes with this set. And surprise, it's got a bonus couple items for you to make the suit look perfect and to make sure this is the suit that you're going to want to purchase over and over again. Very impressed. Love this suit. That's my point of view.